हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, 11th क्लास के टॉपिक सेट थ्योरी की बात कर रहे हैं हम। चैप्टर सेट थ्योरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर है, उससे रिलेटेड आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज एंड हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट द सेट, यूनियन, इंटरसेक्शन, ऑपरेशंस ऑन सेट्स. नाउ टुडे आई विल डिस्कस about the complement of set and properties on union, intersection, difference and this complement. इनसे रिलेटेड जो भी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Let U be any set and A. U, when I say U be any set means that U is universal set. So this universal set in context to A. If I say A is the set of all 11th class students of particular school, then in context to this A, universal set can be all students of that school or set of all students of India. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कह रहे हैं A is the set of all 11th class students और उसके रेफरेंस में यूनिवर्सल सेट बोलते हैं set of all natural numbers. No. So that's why I have written U is any set and A be any other set in context to U. Then complement of A is given by X such that X does not belong to A and X belongs to universal set. Generally this we don't write, it is understood. When X does not belong to A, it means all those elements which are in universal set but not in set A. With the help of Venn diagram, this can be represented. This is universal set, so all the elements which are not in A, this represents set A. All the elements lying outside this set A. Now there are certain properties first one is I am taking all the properties together. Properties related to union, properties related to intersection and properties related to complement of a set. So A union A is A and A intersection A is also A. The law is known as Idempotent law. Then A union B equal to B union A and A intersection B is B intersection A. The law is known as commutative law. All these properties, laws you have studied right from class 7th, 8th से पढ़ते आए. Commutative, associative. A union B union C gives A union B union C and A intersection B intersection C is A intersection B intersection C. The law is known as associative law. A union phi is A and A intersection universal set is A. Law of identity. And another one, A union B intersection C is A union B intersection A union C. Also A intersection B union C is A intersection B union A intersection C. The law is known as distributive law. All the laws verified by taking certain examples. Set A and B, we can take A, B, C, different sets of our choice, और left hand side और right hand side calculate करें, उससे कर सकते हैं. और the same can be verified by using Venn diagrams. अब हम बात करते हैं कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज की कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ सेट से रिलेटेड. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट, अब फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर दो, यू विल गेट ए. कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ सेट इज ए यूनियन बी complement will give you A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement is B complement intersection A complement, known as De Morgan's law. Also, complement of phi is universal set and complement of universal set is phi. Complement means all elements which are not in that set. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट, किसी भी रेफरेंस में बात कर रहे हो तो यूनिवर्सल सेट तो वो सेट है जो which contains all the elements, all the sets related in that context are the subset of the universal set. So no element will be there in U complement. De Morgan's law and these other laws all can be verified by taking certain examples, or you can draw a Venn diagram, then you can verify. One more important law is finding A minus B. देखिए A minus B जो है ना, ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस में बड़ा इजीली काम आता है. ये जो बता रहा हूँ आइडेंटिटी, this portion is A minus B. Now what is this that I have said it? It is A. What is this? I have said it. That is B complement. B complement means all the areas which is not in A. If I make intersection A intersection B complement, it will give you A minus B. अगर हम दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन करते हैं, देखिए इंटरसेक्शन का मतलब दोनों में कॉमन, तो कॉमन पोर्शन कौन सा दिखाई दे रहा है हमें? This portion is common to both. Shaded. This is shaded here, but not here. So this portion, and that's what exactly A minus B is. So A minus B equal to A intersection B complement. So this is very important identities. वो जो आइडेंटिटी और लॉज जो अभी हमने लिखे थे, डिस्कस किए थे, उसी में हम और दो ऐड कर सकते हैं. A यूनियन A कॉम्प्लीमेंट, A यूनियन A कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड A intersection A complement. All the elements which are in A, all the elements which are not in A, universal set. All the elements which are in A, all the elements which are not in A, their intersection will be phi. So this A minus B equal to A intersection B dash, very very important identity. इससे रिलेटेड बड़ी अच्छी प्रॉब्लम्स रहेंगी जिनको हम डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करेंगे. अच्छा, अदरवाइज जब कभी हमने बताया था, पहले भी डिस्कस किया कि अगर हमें ये प्रूव करना हो ना कि सेट A इक्वल टू B, तो अगर ऐसा प्रूव करना है तो हम क्या प्रूव करते थे? We prove that A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A. If it is so, then we can say that A equal to B. और अगर ये प्रूव करना हो कि A is a subset of B, तो हम कैसे प्रूव करते थे? Let x be any general element of A, then we prove that x is also element of B. If element randomly selected, arbitrary element x belongs to A, then it also belongs to B, then we can say that A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A, then A equal to B. तो अगर दो सेट हमें इक्वल इस तरह से प्रूव करने हो तो हम ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं. अब एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. सपोज A equal to 1 2 3 and set B is 3 4 5 6 and universal set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. देखिए मैं इसमें सिंपल सी बात बिल्कुल पूछ रहा हूं. What will be A dash? What will be B complement? What is A minus B complement? What is A union B complement? What is A complement intersection B complement? So I have written all these to find. By the time you can pause my video for a moment and find this, and again start the video and check your results. So A complement 1 2 3, excluding 1 2 3, that is 4 5 6 7 8 9. B complement will be excluding 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 6 7 8 9. A minus B complement. So first we will find A minus B. What A minus B is? Elements which are in A but not in B. Only 1 2. And its complement will be 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Similarly, A union B complement. So first we will find A union B. What A union B is? 1 2 3 4 5 6. And its complement will be 7 8 9. And A complement intersection B complement. See what A complement is. 1 2 3 को छोड़ दीजिए. 4 5 6 7 8 9. और intersection B complement, B के elements को छोड़ दीजिए. 1 2 5 5 6 is also there. 7 8 9. And their intersection 7 8 9. तो हमने ये फाइंड भी कर लिया, एक प्रैक्टिस भी हो गई, दूसरा अपना वेरिफिकेशन भी हो गया. डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ का देखो एक कि A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट विल बी A कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट. So you try to solve questions related with these properties of complement, union, intersection. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, तुमको डोंट मिस दैट नेक्स्ट वीडियो. उसमें हम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट A माइनस बी इक्वल टू A इंटरसेक्शन B डैश, इससे रिलेटेड बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे और एप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस वो डिस्कस करेंगे. वीडियो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.